Hey, welcome to sunny Carefree, Arizona. I'm Marty, your host. This is Carefree Observatory. Today, as you can see, I'm doing block work. It's a raised vegetable garden area for my wife, so she can have her vegetables so the animals don't get into it, or not supposed to get into it. Our dogs, shall we say. But things are moving right along here in Carefree at the observatory. The fire didn't accumulate much more than just to that ridge. It never came this way, thank God. So that fire about 10 days ago, that's what happened to that. Someday when I have time, I'll go over there and drone the area, show you what kind of devastation that does. I don't know, I'm sure it's pretty bad. I heard it burned like 90,000 or 9,000 acres or something, I don't know. But that burned for like 5-6 days after that. It may even still be burning. But drywallers are inside and check it out. They haven't gotten to the observatory, but we're getting there. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends. Thanks. Boys are going down. Yeah, well, we got a lot done. This is day 2. And day 1 they worked downstairs. Boy, they knocked that out. But it's looking good up here. Check it out. This is all done in here. We got just enough drywall. A lot of switches, a lot of lighting. Boys are working upstairs this morning. I had to go check town dump. Ooh, boy, that's looking good, boys. Hiding all my ugly framing. Huh? Wow, guys, look at that. Nice job. Huh? We got a turn underneath. Wow, very cool. So I hope you follow us and keep up on everything that we're doing. Thank you. Hit the like button and subscribe. Tell your friends. Thanks.